Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I want to talk about the crypto assets, which we call it cryptocurrencies. Now we can see on the coin market cap we have more than 20,000, exactly 20,002 crypto asset listed in this website. In the CoinGecko you will find less, and these are based off the listing procedure, and this project they get listed on these two websites. But what are really these cryptocurrencies? How we should hold them? How we should consider a return on investment? How we should proceed our investment strategy? If I want to say about these questions, first of all, we should consider about this project, in which manner, which kind of business are these projects. What is the utility of them? Are they like a security token or no? For instance, what is the utility of the cryptocurrencies? When we want to invest on project, we have to first look why we want to invest on this particular project, not the other one. Because one influencer talked about this project and he said, okay, this project is good, it has good fundamental news, and if you invest on this, we will go to the moon. Now in the bear market of 2022, we can see many projects are losing their ATH, more than 90%. Even many of them, they cannot recover during this bear market, of course. Then first understand what is the utility of this particular project, which you are fan of that. The next things you should consider is about the security token. We can see Ripple, and this time SEC and Ripple, they are against each other. They go to many meetings, and Ripple said, I'm not a security token, but SEC says Ripple is a security token. What is a security token? Security token is similar to the share you have from the stock market, from the company, share of the company you have, and you can hold it. And what is the purpose of that one? What is the purpose of that security token? Okay, you must understand many projects out there, their behavior is exactly as same as security token. Security token by their nature is not bad, they're good. It's a form of tokenization which blockchain provides for us, which is good, of course, is not bad. But we have to distinguish as an investor between security token, utility token. We have to understand why we are investing on this particular security token. Okay. Then here there is one nice things about the security token. Here explained, a security token represents rights of ownership, transfer of value, or promises of returns that are tokenized on the blockchain. Okay, this is the thing as an investor you should consider. It is intended to be treated as an investment instrument. Okay, because you don't want to go to the stock market because of difficulties or whatever you heard about cryptocurrencies. You are here and you want to invest. Then you should understand, is it security token? Is it utility token or no? The other things I want to talk, which is the main topic of this video, is about the startup. And you should consider most of, like 100%, even 100%, 99.999% of the crypto asset out there, out of this 20,000 crypto asset as a startup. And what is startup, why I call them personally as a startup, and why they will fail as a startup, most of them. Okay, if they are a startup, we have to understand what a startup is. In this article, which I put the link of these articles and videos and the material I used in the description. Startup has a 5 phase. Problem, solution, fit. As a crypto asset, as a crypto security token or crypto utility token or whatever we call them, first, people behind this project, they think about the problem and what is their solution, what they want to bring as a solution for that problem. Then they will make a minimum viable product, MVP, this one could be a part of their website, part of the functionality of that project, and then they go for the product market fit, in which stage they want to put it, what is for which part of the market is fit. Then they talk about scale and scalability of this project, how big this project can go, how many customers they can have, and these are the things they should consider, and you must consider as an investor. If you want to have a safe invest, you must consider this scalability. When we go for one blockchain and say, okay, Harmony is a competitor of Cardano, is a competitor of Ethereum, we have to understand, okay, how many customers they can have. Okay, these are one of the things you should consider. And maturity. Okay, if the project is mature enough and now it's in the market and they can function with this project, we have to consider this thing as well. Then the other things in this article, the product life cycle. Now we have product is not a smart contract anymore. Now we can see this product as a platform, for instance. Cardano now is a product, is not a smart contract, is not a token, it's a coin, and it has its own blockchain and we want to invest on it. First, you should consider, okay, development. They developed a lot. Okay, they start to have a fundraising in 2017, and they had a good fundraising. They started development, market crashed. They worked on that, which many projects they do not work. Then introduction to the market, growth. We can see in this year they are growing their community, they are growing the technology, they are growing in different manners. Then they will be mature after the product get maturity in the market. Now, if we consider this is this product life cycle based off the market life cycle, we almost mature. Many people they have seen about the different platform like a Solana, like Ethereum, like a Cardano, like a Polkadot, and now declining. The market and the product also declining. This is another chart which it shows most of the project during this phase, 18-month phase, they will die. Most of the startup, they have a time to survive. For instance, here it says how many startups fails and why. If we go here it's written how many new business fail. As of 2021, 20% failed in the first year. This is one of the reasons most of the big people in investing, most of the venture capitals, they are not interested on new project because they are aware of this sentence. 20% fail in the first year, 50% within 5 years. If you can see some projects get listed in the portfolio of venture capitals and big people, big investors, because they see the team, they see the behavior. This is not a dead coin. In my account you can find I explain about the dead coin, what are the dead coin, how you should distinguish between the dead coin and the coin of the market. I have like 3 videos about the dead coin, what is dead coin. In 3 episodes I explain about the dead coin and how you can distinguish the list of the dead coin, which here I put some good project in the market as a dead coin because in the price wise they were not able to recover. Okay, then 50% within 5 years they will die. 50%, just imagine 10,000 project here, they will die. If we go here to the snapshot, we can see from 2013 they have a list. One of the things I suggest to the people, please go and watch this list. If we go to 2013, we can see, okay, we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, still they are around. But what about the others? If you invest here and you invest 1,000 on this name coin, what happened with your money? About the name coin, NMC. Okay, where is listed this coin? Who is really willing to buy this project? You can find it on a CoinX, Ubit. Okay, is it really has a value to hold this project? Okay, are they really developing? You can see from the price wise, they had a hype, okay, dead. They had a hype, dead, and they have a diminish on return, and year by year, even they cannot touch their previous ATH. You can see here was not able, again here it was not able to do that. Okay, back to the word. Then please consider this one. The another one is a 65% of project they will die within the first 10 years. Bitcoin almost passed this one, but many projects no. Reasons for failing: money ran out. We can see after Ethereum and this smart contract, many people they do this fundraising with Ethereum, and then they start to develop, but not in a correct way, and their money ran out, and this project will most probably fail or failed already. Wrong market. Lack of research. One of the things always, I'm as a researcher, I suggest to other people, please research. Please do your own research. Please, when you want to invest on a project, do the research. But even we can see in this project, they are suffering from lack of research. Bad partnership. In one of the video, I explain about the partnership is which crypto you should invest in next. Here I explain about the partnership of, for instance, Crypto.com, FIFA, and partnership of the Algorand and FIFA. And is it really this market, this partnership is good for these platforms? Are they really add any value to this platform or not? Bad marketing. For instance, we can see Tezos. Tezos has one of the greatest technology in crypto. But what about the price action of the Tezos? They cannot do anything in the market. Let's have a look. XTZ. Look, the Tezos just even was not able to catch the previous ATH in 2017. And the market is going down. It is very close to the area of the pandemic. Which kind of project is this? People, they think Tezos has a good technology. I'm also in. I support it. Tezos has a good technology. But the Tezos does not have a good marketing. Okay? They're doing really bad marketing. Not an expert. We can see Dan Larimer and Charles Hoskinson, they were in the BitShare. They were in the BitShare project, and BitShare, BTS. Okay. And just have a look on the price. It's one of the oldest projects in the market from 2014. But we cannot see, okay, the project is dead. But these people, they learn from their mistake. They start, one of them, they start EOS. Okay, let's have a look on the price of EOS. Okay, we can see here is the bottom of the pandemic. Where we are now, what is the project is this? The team behind of this project, they are not expert. They're not doing anything. You can see here, Tether is on EOS, but the project is almost failed. But Charles Hoskinson, he learned many things, for instance, and now they are developing Cardano. They realize if we want to have a proper blockchain, proper decentralized blockchain, we need a community. And Cardano is one of the coin is around the community. Okay. Then for you as an investor, what I suggest, please go and find about the team. What is the story behind the team? What they did, the previous project, which background they are coming from. Okay, these are the things you should consider. And then how to avoid failing. You should also consider about the goal of the project. What is the goal? When you hear about one coin, Shiba, Dogecoin, Baby Doge, I don't know, Bitcoin, Cardano, Harmony, just what is their goal? What they want to solve? Why you should invest? Not because of your friend says, your mom says, your nanny says, okay? What is the goal? What is the goal behind? Then about the research. If the project, they do not know what is the goal, and if they do not research enough about their target, about their goal, they will fail. This is the things you should do as an investor. They must do as a project founder. Check the team. Are they really work their job, or just they jump from this project to the another project because they like to be in this startup area and they are playing with our investment? Okay, don't quit. Even you and their team. Just check what is their behavior, escaping from project to project, or no, they didn't work in that project because that project like a Ethereum Classic and Ethereum. Okay, what was the story behind? Go and study these things. Okay, one of the things I found very interesting is this talk from Jeremy Rifkin. He is an American economist. In this, you can find the book, of course, but in this video, he explained the main topics about the zero marginal cost society. In this one as a talks at Google. I really suggest to watch this video. One of the things he explained is about the open source, about the zero marginal cost. What does it mean by zero marginal cost? It means when we make our first product, the product price is high. But when we move forward and we create a more and more product, the price is going down. If we have these things as an open source, then the price of the next project is not, let's say is nothing, it's a zero. Okay. Therefore, if we use this kind of concept and bring it to the crypto and blockchain and crypto economy, we can see this open source. Bitcoin in 2009 and 10 released, and then many people, they said, oh, that's a good idea, and then they hard fork it and they went for the Bitcoin Cash, for a Litecoin, for Bitcoin SV, for many different sort of project. What happened? They forked the project, and which is free, and they built their new project. But is it really this project worth to invest on them because they are a fork of Bitcoin? In the other hand, we can see after Ethereum mini project with this smart type of contract, they start to have this forking like a Uniswap built as DEX, then SushiSwap forked that one, then Wiper, then PancakeSwap, and many different swap. Are they really adding any value to their investor, to their community? Then jump back about, is this utility token or security token? Okay, these are the things you should consider. Security token, utility token. What is this idea behind this token? Then the only just hodl, it does not work for all the assets out there. You must have a strategy for your research. For instance, if you go to the coin market cap, we can see these are the if you go here and then go here in the ranking by categories, you can find all asset by market cap. These are the commodities and security token, security assets out there like Apple, Saudi Aramco, Microsoft, silver as a commodity. We can see Bitcoin is here. Bitcoin, it passed this, let's say, 10 years of failing. Okay, it passed this 10 years and now it's out. But still, there is no logic that say Bitcoin will not fail. Bitcoin is one of the startup without any fundraising, without any clear CEO, without any clear team. It's seated at rank 17. We cannot compare any of these 20,002 coins with Bitcoin. Then when people say we are the next Bitcoin, we are the next Ethereum, so we can find Ethereum here as a ranked 18. We cannot compare with them. We have to be aware which project, what is the utility, what they are adding to the society. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate to subscribe and press this ring bell. In this channel, every day I have a video regarding the crypto market update, what the other people they talk about, the different project. I go and watch more, let's say, most of the videos from the different influencer, from the different people, in terms of the price, in terms of the technology, in terms of the news. And I put every day a small video, less than usually 10 minutes here, and I share it with you. The another type of video I here publish is like this sort of video now you currently are watching, about how to find a good cryptocurrencies. For instance, here I in this mind map yesterday I published, I explained about the cryptocurrencies. If you want to invest on cryptocurrencies, what is the approach you should do, which this video I really suggest go and watch. And if you haven't liked this video, please give a like button. Then in this way YouTube will show this video to the other people. Okay, about the crypto, let's back to the crypto. What is this project about? In terms of market listing, we have two sort of let's say video listing, crypto listing. One of them is this project, they get listed during the bull market. Usually the behavior is they are pumping, because many people, they talk about the project. Okay, we are the next Ethereum, we are the next, I don't know, Uniswap, we are the next things, and they are just pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. They are going up and up. But then when the market collapse, okay, they are going all the way down. For instance, we can see Tron and Cardano. If we check here, ADA, look, in the 2017 it get listed, and many people, they talk about it, and it went all the way up with, yeah, more than 7,200% gain. But this one was only a token. It was a token which should be one day as a utility token. Then retrace more than 98% to the bottom of pandemic. But this coin developed a lot and convert from token to coin and developed their promises, and then they pumped and they found the price floor here. And now after this retracement of the project, we can see they hold their value. They didn't go just like a pumping and dumping, go all the way up and then come back. For instance, we can see BCH, Bitcoin Cash. Okay, what the heck is this project? They went up around 4,300, retracement, no usability, nothing. People are not interested. Here was the bottom of the pandemic, and they are under the bottom. Okay, it means the people, they are not interested to buy back this project. What is the utility of this token? What is the, why should I invest on this project, not Bitcoin? If we go, for instance, Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin, it's going just down. Why should I invest on this project, not only on Bitcoin? I can invest on, for example, let's check with the Ethereum. Okay, it's going down. Why not I invest on Ethereum? Why should I invest on this? These are the type of the question you must ask before you invest on any kind of project. Another type of project are projects which they get listed during the bear market, like Akala. We can see ACA. These kind of project, they get listed. They had just one. Let's go to the 1 day. Okay, 1 day listing, and from that moment they are going down and down and down. It doesn't mean these projects are not good. The time which these projects they released their token in the market was not a good time. It was during the bear market. Now this project, they have a time to develop. For instance, we can see Akala start to have this divergence. Price is going down and the RSI indicator is going up, which is a good sign. It means here is, if you think this project is good, it's a one step you can enter, and if the project can recover in the next 2 years or next 4 years, we are expecting to see around 1000% almost on your investment from this entry point. One of the things I would suggest, please, when you want to check the price of any coin, do not jump on the trading view and check the price. For instance, this is Cardano. We just saw together. If we go to this website, which you can find it in the description, this price, it's only available on trading view from here, this area, 6 May 2018. Yeah, from the 2018. We don't have the history behind this one, because in the trading view, it's adding based off the data source of those exchanges, which here, for instance, is Binance. But if you here check, we have all the story behind of this one. Another way, you must do a research for the tokenomics and for the sale, for the ICO of the project. You should go to the ICO drops. You can find it here about the ICO token price. ICO price token of the Cardano was at 0.0024. It's a fraction of cent, okay, which you can understand, okay, when this project start, how much people they have gained with respect. Even this price is not listed here, okay, we cannot see. The price of the token sale was around here, okay. This is one of the reasons during the bear market, if these people they sold their token, even in the bottom, they had more than 1200% gain. They had more than 1200% gain, which is, these are the things you must consider when you are investing on your project. This project, for instance, was on September 27th, September 2017, almost 4 years ago, as it's written here. And these are the way you should distinguish for this startup, for this kind of project. Another things you should consider is for the tokenomics. You should understand, okay, when they release this project, how many percent was for founder of the project, how many percent for the investors, because in this way you can understand if this project will get dumped or no. These are the things you must consider. For instance, Solana, more than 50% of the project is for the founder, which is not safe. They can easily manipulate the market. Another things you can consider when you hear about project. For instance, Harmony, many people, they talk about the project, okay, Harmony, and they say, okay, Harmony is a Ethereum killer. Okay, just compare this project together, because many people, they say, okay, Cardano, for instance, will get to the $10 Cardano. If the price of Cardano will go to $10, it will be the double market cap of Ethereum. Of course, this comparison must be in that time which you hear about any project. Okay, if we are in the bull market, the price of Cardano was higher than here, price of Ethereum also was higher than here. Okay, these are the things you should consider as an investor in these more than 20,000 startups, crypto startups, crypto asset. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up to the video and share it with your friend if you think this kind of data has a value. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.